If you have been using the communal hot water for anything other than simply washing your clothes, washing dishes, and so on, then you need to watch this video. So, if you have been using it for drinking purpose, making tea, watch this video and see exactly the contaminants that could be in your water supply that could actually affect your health and your well-being. So come with me and let me show you. After waking up this morning, I did my routine task, which was to go to the bathroom to have a bath in order to prepare and get ready for work. But after turning on the tap, the hot water tap, this is what I encountered. So you need to be careful with how you use your hot water from a shared communal system, because oftentimes the water might not be as safe as you think it is. So do not use it for drinking purpose. Do not use it for making your beverages, for making tea, for cooking purpose, and so on. And one of the major reasons is that hot water systems can allow water to sit in the tank or the pipes for very long periods, especially overnight, and this can lead to microbial growth or buildup of sediments. So it might cause excessive bacteria to develop in the water. And as you can see here, clearly hot water stored in these heaters is not as clean as you might think it is. So this is a clear example of what possibly could be in your water, whether it's this bad or whether they are just sediments that is not readily visible to the eye. So the best advice is to use the cold water for your regular household purposes rather than using the hot water for consumption.